I'll just show you how to delete a mobile from the Bluetooth audio system in this 2008 Nissan X-Trail. So at the moment it's on radio. So if we go to menu, click menu, you've got phone set up, and there you go, if your speed volume beep. So if it's not on phone setup straight away, just turn this dial in the center onto phone setup, then click the middle for enter. You've got paired list, pair phone, delete phone, Bluetooth. I'm assuming if we click on Bluetooth there, you've got on and off. So if you can't connect your phone, do the same thing, make sure that Bluetooth is on. So we'll enter Bluetooth on, then we want to go back to delete phone, enter, Barry's iPhone there, click on that, delete, and again you've got yes. If you go on the wrong one, you can just move that to no, but it is yes, phone deleted. That's it, simple as that. Okay, I'll just show you how to pair a mobile to the Bluetooth audio system in this 2008 Nissan X-Trail. So first of all, we make sure that Bluetooth is on. Bluetooth's on there, and then we're watching out at the bottom. That, I'm assuming, is picking up the radio in this camper van that's parked behind me. But anyway, so what we do here, we go to menu, and again, if it's not on phone setup already, just turn the rotary control. We want phone setup. You've got paired list. Well, you don't want that, you want a pair of phones, so just turn it to pair phone, click pair phone. There we go, and we've got my car come up already, ready to pair, and that's what the Nissan. You've got my car and car Bluetooth. That's again somebody else who's just gone past. Now it's 1 2 3 4 in here, so ready to pair. I'll just click that. You see it says passcode 1 2 3 4. 1 2 3 4 pair. Allow contacts and favorites to sync. Allow. That's basically, once that comes up, it shows it's connected. But Barry's iPhone, so it's connected on there. And let me find it on here. My car connected. That's it. So that's how you do it. Really easy system, a good system. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.